Come on, let's go get it on.
Be happy. Be happy.
Come on, let's go get it on.
Be happy.
Everybody, let's go have some fun.
I don't wanna waste my time on simple little things. I'd rather stay here all the night with happy voices.
Morning fam, we're here week 3, our first official weigh-in for the challenge, so we're about to rip into it, get into it.
Come on, let's go get it on. Everybody, let's go have some fun.
I got a feeling you could use a little smile. Hoping you could stay there for just a little while.
Making a lot of noise out there. Throw your hands up in the air.
I don't wanna waste my time on simple little things. I'd rather stay here all the night with everyone to sing. Happy boys and happy girls will be.
Hey sis,
Hi.
How's it?
It's good. We're
Yeah?
awake. We're alive. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah.
alright, nice seeing you this morning for the challenge.
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay, say how come you joined the challenge?
I joined the challenge because of me having psoriatic arthritis, and it was just for me, just
Nice.
to live, breathe, and just make sure that I do the best I can to avoid getting sick again,
Nice,
and just to meet new people.
beautiful,
Yeah, because I'm a networker.
yep,
And I scare people like that, but I still go up. But yeah, everyone's been awesome,
nice,
and I love that everyone's like really living
Awesome.
by the you don't leave anyone, we don't leave anyone behind.
everybody behind.
Yeah, so
Awesome.
that's it. Yeah.
Cool, and what's your why?
So my why is me. Yeah,
Nice.
it's me. That's it. Me as in every facet of me. My spirituality, my well-being, my focus, like just learning. You can learn so much from this group. You don't need to dress up in gears. Like, and that's another thing I've actually had to learn to not look at people or their gears, or like all challenges, it's always down to you. So even if you're not part of this movement, start your own or join anything. But the point is you move even if you've got crutches.
Hey,
You can do it.
you can do it.
Yeah.
Nice,
Thanks,
lovely answer
Jules.
sis.
No, thank you for this. Also, thank you to the leadership team. It's hard work for you guys, we see it, but we feel it too. So
Nice.
thank you so much. Thank you,
All right,
brother.
enjoy training.
Yeah, I will.
Awesome.
We are the happy boys and girls. Happy boys and happy girls will be. So happy, yeah. So happy, yeah. Happy boys and happy girls will be. We are the happy boys and girls. Happy boys and happy girls will be. Oh yeah, so happy. Try with a giggle, it'll make you look so nice.
Okay, Baba. Nice job, Baba.
Nice Bella. Charlino. Alopio.
Nice, Nino.
Let's go, baby, go. Nice team. Nice one, boys. Nice, boys. Nice, sis. Let's go, Happy. Nice, AG. Nice. Nice team. Get him, brother. Get him, brother. Malo pio, malo pio. Yes, pio, yes, pio. Nas lingo. Let's go, team! I need to hear you guys. I need to hear you guys. Yes, that's it. Let's go. Encourage. Nice. Nice, team. Well done. Let's go. Make some noise. Now I can't even hear you guys breathing. Nice. Let's go, bro. You got it, bro. Yeah. Nice, team. Nice, team. Good go, good go. Get faster, get faster. Get faster like David. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Nice, Josephine. Nice, well done, girl. Nice. Nice, team. Marapio, Charlino.
30 seconds.
Let's go, lads, let's go, lads. 30 seconds. Nice, boys. Nice. Nice touch. Shot up. Let's. There you go. Nice, team. Nice. Nice, Tina. Let's go, Tina. You got it. Go. Malo, Pio. Got it, Pio. You got it, Pio. Yes, Pio. Yes, Lino. Nice. Let's go, Bella. There you go, Bella. Nice, Josephine. Woo! Let's go, team. Let's work. Nice, team.
Let's go.
Shot Bobby. Shot Tosh.
Happy boys and happy girls will be. We are the happy boys and girls. Happy boys and happy girls will be. So happy, yeah. So happy, yeah. Happy boys and
Shot team. Shot Tashi. Shot Bella. Shot Forty. Shot Fane.
Yeah, the lads. Yes, Faithy. Nice vibes. Nice one, sis. Nice one, sis. There you go, sis. Nice. Let's go, Davey. Throw the mans. Throw the mans. Nice team. Nice. Nice one. Smash it, sis. Smash it, sis. Woo.
So special.
Here we go, Andy. Here we go, Andy. There we go, Andy. Yes, sis.
Sharp brother.
Nice. Let's go, team. Yep. There you go, lads. There you go, lads. Hey. Nice team. Team. Nice team. Let's work, team. Let's work. Let's work. Nice. Good boy, David. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Nice team. You guys, son, keep pushing it. Let's go, Davey boy. Sprint it. Sprint it, boy. Well done. Well done. You're the boys. Smash it, brother.
Okay, stop it.
Let's go. Nice one, sis. Nice one, sis. Nice, sis.
Thank you for the pressure.
Nice, sis. Oh, so it was the Meccas. Down the Meccas, was it? There you go, you're burning it off now. Way to work, way to work. Nice team. Let's go, Davey boy. Let's go. Yeah, here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. 5 seconds. 3, 2, time. Let's go, let's go. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Nice. Yes, team. Let's go, Davey boy. Let's go, team. You guys have gone quiet on me, man. We're only a minute into it. Let's go.
Salino.
Go, team. Nice team. Malo, Apio. Malo. Famalos. Yes, brother. Yeah, the boys. Trails. Yeah, the boys.
Let's go.
Nice. Here you go, lads. Nice team. Nice team. Hey Vicky, so how was that? How was that training? How was this
It
morning's
was brutal.
training? Yep.
Yeah, but it was good brutal.
Good brutal?
I'm tired, but good tired.
Nice. Okay, so let me ask you this question. How come you joined the challenge?
I joined the challenge first because my husband forced me. Not forced, he encouraged me. Made me realize that, you know, I need to do this for myself. And yes, so myself and my husband.
Nice. So what is your why?
My why is also myself.
Yep.
And my husband, and as well as my family, my grandma.
Well done.
Yeah.
Nice story. Cool. Thank you for your time. Sprints! Push up, people, come on! Let's go! 20 seconds! Nice team, let's go! 10 seconds! 5, 4, 3, 2, time! Well done, team! Well done, team. Oos. There you go, brother. Nice team. Nice team. Nice team. Nice team. Yeah, the boys. Yeah, the boys.
Monday games.
Jesus.
So you don't come with me tonight?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, brother. Well done, team.
Nice.
Nice team. Oh, uphill. Son. Nice team. Nice. Davey boy. Yeah. a big goose. Morning, Bella.
Hi, morning.
How was training today?
Oh, it was so good.
Nice. You enjoyed it?
Yeah, I enjoy it too
Nah, you're
much.
fine. You kaya wa.
You're sick, you're far. Wah, Lucy, koi fo inga ngisi paungai.
Malo lava. Malo.
Ai, umalole le fa. Ka sauru fa no ko malo ka kingo mana fa do.
Malo. Malo for malos.
Kai fo.
Thank you, Bella.
Thank you, George. God
You did real good.
bless.
Malo lava. Morning.
Morning, bro.
Yeah. What's your name, please?
Name's Pio.
Hello, lava Pio.
Hello.
Okay. How was training?
It's also me.
Yeah.
Awesome. Trying to keep fit. Yeah. Thanks for my partner guiding me here in this event. So, you know, I'm 52 now. It's something different. Yeah, hardly training. It's just bloody drinking beer and fucking watching TV and do nothing. It's just work at home, man. But coming in here, man, this is my 3rd week or
Nice.
2nd week. Yeah, I'm willing to do whatever I can to make it different. Yeah, to myself. Yeah.
Nice. So what is your why? What is your why for joining the challenge?
Oh man, my kids and my grandkids.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, I have 5 kids and 6 grandchildren. Yeah, so that's my why, and that's what encouraged me to do this challenge.
Nice.
Yeah, I hope after these 12 weeks we will move forward to another challenge and keep doing this until we. But that's my why. It's about my grandchildren, yeah, and my children. I want a good life for them, and I want them to encourage me to do this kind of stuff. They're gonna be happy when they see me, because they don't like me drinking and stuff like that.
Nice.
Yeah, so they've seen some of the training I did. They're so proud of me.
Beautiful.
So proud of me, yeah, and that's
Beautiful.
my wife, brother.
Proud of you. Proud of you too, man. Showing up.
Thank you.
Nice.
Yeah,
Awesome.
man. Hopefully we keep going until we lose some more weight and that's all I can say for now, my brother. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well done. Thank you, Pio.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Malo lava. Your model poses too, man.
3, 2, 1.